guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and if you are not yet subscribed, forget to hit that red button right there below, which is the subscribe button. Hit that bell button to get notified every time we post a new video and gives you a big thumbs up. Today's video, I am going to be reviewing Coco and Sky hair mask kit. This video is actually sponsored by Coco and Eve, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Coco and Eve, a company that is gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and they do not test on animals, which is great. Video, we are going to be trying out shampoo, conditioner, the hair mask, and tools all together. My hair has never been shinier. So luscious, super soft and silky, a texture that I am looking for. Today is a little bit humid, so maybe I will try it again on a day that is not humid, because I tend to have frizz, but after using these products today, my frizz is not out of control. As you can see, it's pretty stable. I only have a little bit. I'm going to show you what the hair mask kit comes with. So here we have the Coco and Eve Super Shampoo. This shampoo smells like if you were drinking a fresh coconut on the island. It smells really good. It boosts moisture and getting rid of split ends. I know we all have split ends. We can't let go of that heat. Some of the ingredients, in case you're wondering, are coconut oil, fruit enzyme formula, hyaluronic acid with a hydrating formula that helps to soften, smooth, and add glossier hair. These are exactly the ingredients that we're looking for, and it is free of parabens and sulfates. Here we have the Coco and Eve Super Hydrating Cream Conditioner, and this conditioner has such a nice smell to it. It has supercharged hyaluronic acid to increase hydration, so our ends won't look dry and brittle. Nourishes your hair, sleek and defrizz while adding instant gloss and shine with zero weight down. For example, I have such long hair, and whenever I get my hair done, I feel like it drags down just because it's really long, and right now I don't even feel my hair because it is so nice and silky, and that's exactly the type of texture that I want. Fused with 6 feather light oils including coconut, avocado, and argan. These are the ingredients you want in your shampoo. A lot of people do like DIY avocado masks. Avocado, argan, and coconut, dream ingredients. Now to my favorite product. I am a huge fan of hair masks. Like, I am one that will always apply a hair mask every time it's wash day. I tend to wash my hair once a week in the winter and then twice in the summer. It's humid, we get sweaty often. 7.2 ounces, and it's a pretty good amount of hair mask. Usually all the hair masks that I get are just a packet, or they're 3 ounces, and after 3 uses I'm like, damn, I need to buy another one. This will definitely last me a good amount of time. A deep conditioning mask that helps to strengthen and get hair back to its pure virgin state. Nourishes damaged hair, helps improve shine and texture, hydrates and targets frizz. The ends of my hair look so good right now. You can't even tell that I have split ends. Can't even notice any split ends. Usually when you have your hair straight, you go out in the sun, you'll see all those dead split ends, but no, this hair mask nourished my hair so much. Of course, we're gonna move on to accessories. Here we have a hair detangler, and this brush is everything. Most important is the bristles on the brush, which will not damage your hair. Sometimes we buy hair brushes and we don't realize we're doing more damage to our hair. We have to treat our hair like tissue. We have to be soft, we have to be gentle, we have to take such good care of our hair, and it all starts with shampoo, conditioner, and then the hairbrush. The size is perfect for travel. I'm so happy that I finally got to test out this hairbrush. I'm not gonna go back to my old Conair brush. So that we have is, which I call the Scalp massager. I'll probably insert the correct name, and I left it in the shower because I left it to dry. Bristles on that brush, I was in heaven when I was washing my hair. It really did get in between all my hair follicles, and instead of damaging your hair and pulling and scratching and digging your nails in your scalp, I'm very happy with how my hair turned out. I love the shine, and my hair is so much shinier. It looks so much healthier. My split ends, I can't even tell. I saved the best part for last. We all love a good bag, and this bag is perfect for on the go. This bag is perfect for travel. I am a freaking traveler, so the fact that I can just take this as a personal item, I love the bag. The bag is super cute. You have a little palm tree here, Coco and Eve. I love it. Absolutely love it. now that we have reached the end of the video, I hope that if you guys are on the hunt for a good shampoo, a good conditioner, a good hair mask, good hair tools, go on cocoandeve.com. Of course, like I always mention, all the links will be in the description box down below. The direct link to shop will be down below. What I love the most is that they have really fast shipping. So I placed my order, I want to say like 3 days ago, and I received it last night, so it felt like overnight shipping to me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and a huge thank you to Coco and Eve for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with your products. These are natural products in our shampoo and our conditioner, improving our hair, helping our hair. So if you do end up getting some Coco and Eve products, let me know in the comments down below so we can chat about them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button, and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to go on cocoandeve.com. This is a full kit. You can also shop individually if you want to try out one product at a time. Feel free to do that as well, but if you want to save some money, get the whole kit. You are not going to be disappointed. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.